babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with another video, and in today's video we are featuring Ywigs. Big shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we are going to do these box braids boho style. These are actually pre-looped boho box braids. Let me just tell you, these are 30 inches long. This is a blend of human and synthetic, so this is a blend hair. Definitely check the links down below if you are interested. Front of my natural hair is box braided, or plaited rather. I plait those, braided those back. So the back section of my hair is actually just cornrows. That was from the wig install that I had prior. So the front is where I really concentrated on the box braids, because you want the front to look like it is actually braided. The size of the parts is all about preference, so depending on what you like, that's how you would part it. So what you do is you use the crochet needle, which was provided by Ywigs. This is the first time that I've done this type of install, so I am teaching as I learn. So what I did was I took the pre-looped hair and I pulled that through the box braid of my natural hair. Then once that was through, I loop the braid through the pre-loop. That is how you secure it into place. So it kind of creates the look of a knot, so to speak, at the base of the hair. But it's important to have those boxes in the front because it's going to look like the actual braid is coming from the scalp. So if you wanted to, you could definitely plait your entire head. I did not do that. You can plait twist it. It's all a matter of preference as to how you want to install it. So that's what worked for me, so that's what I did. And then I'm going to go ahead and install it all. I have 3 packs of this hair and I used about 2.5. I believe there are 30 or 40 braids per pack. So I used 2.5, almost finishing the pack. So I will come back to you at the end so you can see the finished look.
Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. We got tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come?
Lego. No time for bad energy. More life and it's more money. In my life today, God on my side today. Can't decide, oh. But that's the honey and nice. Can't decide, oh. Whether that we gon' cool my mind. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. She said me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Tough life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Across the world, I wanna be on beach side in Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. Yeah. Anywhere me go, know the gang go. Been long since I reached back home. Remember days you was on the back row. Till a lot of places that we can go. Yes, I know. Might just pick up my bags and go. I need to roll. Can't do what they say any mates. Think twice before you play me. Say yeah, baby, I must be crazy. No stress, no enemy. That boy used to be a friend of me. XO, what she sent to me. Say me can't let them boy get to me. I'm in the mood. I'm in the bigger mood. High life, get away. Soft life, far away from you. I wanna see the view. Push the world, I wanna be on beach side and Cancun. Tell me what you wanna do. I wanna see the view.
Okay, so this part of the video, I had just opened the third pack and I used about half of the third pack. I love the fact that you can style this hair just like human hair. I was able to wet the hair down and add a little product. The loose pieces of hair, to give that boho effect, really do get nice and curly and it looks really good. I probably would, if I do install these again, I'm definitely going to do plaits throughout the whole head and I will do bigger plaits. It definitely is something that you have to get used to, but I love this look. I love the fact that I was able to do this in like an hour, I believe. It took me a little while to braid the actual plaits because I have these super long acrylics on, but the actual install of the pre-looped braids did go by really fast. That process was super quick because you just pull it and loop it through. So I definitely suggest this looking to achieve this look and you don't want to spend that time. It's also cost effective. So definitely check the links in the description box. I'm loving this hair. Stay tuned to see the finished look. Also, did I mention that these were 30 inches? I think I did. But I will stand up at the end of the video to show you where this hair falls. Shout out to Ywigs for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to y'all for watching today's video. Don't forget to like this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.